This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the Hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm in apartment 3105, a one-bedroom, looking east toward a dramatic view of the skyline. Turning toward the north, where there's a second window. Apartment has high ceilings, plank flooring throughout. There's an open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Really spacious living and dining area. A lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture here, but I'd be tempted to take over that corner for my desk. It's a breakfast bar, peninsula in the kitchen. It's a U-shaped layout that makes for a very functional use of the space. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. There's under cabinet lighting, a tile backsplash, 4-burner gas range, side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, built-in microwave and dishwasher, quartz counters, have an undermount sink, and a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's both overhead and track lighting in the kitchen. Turning toward the bath, which would have been to your left as you entered the apartment, have marble veined tile on the floor. Entry into the bedroom from here. Tub shower combination with white tile. Again, marble veined tile on the floor. A wide vanity. Undermount sink on the quartz counter. Pass through, walk through closet as you head into the bedroom, which also has that dramatic skyline view out to the east. Easily enough space for a queen or king size bed, nightstands, and some additional furniture. Arkadia has a very convenient layout. Extensive amenities that include a fitness center, sprawling outdoor deck, resident lounges, and more. Apartments all have upscale finishes. You definitely want to put Arkadia on your must-see list when you're looking at Chicago's Hot West Loop. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.